try this Alpine coaster. I guess I'm not driving, just the hubs, so we will be sitting on that. Next is we're about to do the glass blowing workshop. Watching those people, how they do it right there. It's amazing because there's no line when we got here. Only him was waiting. He's excited.
They're all nice.
So first, they're gonna let you pick the colors of your glass, and now he's getting it ready. Somebody's excited. Look at that face. Practicing. Alright, B, make it look big.
Okay.
About to hike with my beads. We're gonna see the Triberg Falls. So pretty here, guys, and it's cold, the breeze, and it's a very easy hike. Even if you wear basketball shoes, you can do it.
foods.
Peanuts.
That's a cute little thing.
Peanuts.
Like, we should have got some peanuts, no?
Just tried the original Black Forest cake after a hike.
Tough.
While he tries his cappuccino. Oh my god. It's so strong, it's very liquory. Hello!
Hello!
We are now at Baden-baden, the spa town in Germany.